Chevrolet Nationals, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Let's have a look around. Appreciate everybody tuning in to Sam Space 81. A little candid walkthrough here. We're going to be filming here all weekend. Appreciate everybody tuning in. That was a big boy running. See that 67 Chevelle down there? I talked to him. It's a factory painted roof option. That'll make a cool video. Hope everybody's doing well out there in YouTube land. Took my road trip from East Texas up here to Carlisle, Pennsylvania. About 1,400 miles. Joe's sweet Chevelle. We just had a little talk, checked it out. We got Camaros. Good old GM Nationals. Used to be the GM Nationals. They changed it in recent years to the Chevrolet Nationals, is what I've been told. It's Friday, June 26th, 2020. You're watching the Sam Space 81 channel. Appreciate you tuning in. Just getting a look, seeing what's going on out here. Little candid cell phone look, single take. Look at that caddy. Bad to the bone. Making our way down the field. Just having a quick look around. Lots of goodies out here. Vets. Chevelles. Monte Carlos, Tri-5s. Don't worry, I know where I'm going. We're gonna work our way down here. Woo! Gonna be a lot of footage. Get ready. This is just a start. Brought my big nice camera with me. So we're gonna be doing our thing. Be sure and follow me on YouTube, Sam Space 81. Appreciate everybody tuning in.
You think he's gonna find me? He ain't gonna find me. He's gonna say, "Attaboy," because I should be about 70 when that happens.
I love my car, people. We have a good time. I want to show you the taillights on this 65 C10 over here. I talked to this man earlier. It's got something unique. Hope you like my new fancy gimbal. It's called Legs. I just had one repaired a few months ago. Anyways, look at this bike back here. I wanted to show you the tail lights on this truck. How about a French caddy light? Isn't that cool? Good stuff. Look at these old air fresheners. You ever seen any old air fresheners like that? Isn't that cool? Cool old truck. He's got it detailed to show under the hood. Here, I'll give you a front look. Work our way down. Check out the Oldsmobiles. Good stuff. 2 rally O's in one spot. Love that. Good looking stuff. All right, where are we going? Keep on working our way down. We're gonna work down here and look at a few more. There's an Azure Blue 442. A friend of mine I sold a car for Had one just like that. 70 azure blue. That's how I knew the color. That's a nice one. His was not that nice. Sweet. Quality hoses. There's my friend Greg. Hey Greg. How's it going? Doing good. I talked to Greg a few minutes ago on my big camera. This is his aunt's Oldsmobile she bought new. She passed away in '98 and he was able to keep it in the family. She bought it new in Las Vegas, Nevada. Ordered a painted roof because she was afraid the vinyl roof the sun would eat it up. This was her baby. He takes good care of it. Look at the window sticker. I hear you can still drive it with a finger. Painted roof. Look how it's still got the trim like your vinyl roof would, but with a painted top. I'm not a big vinyl roof guy. They always get the bubbles around the back. This is a rust-free Las Vegas car. Appreciate my little tour earlier, Greg. I'm doing a little candid cell phone walkthrough for people.
No problem.
Take care.
Yep, appreciate it.
Let's keep on moving. Good looking C10 long bed fleet side. Let's get a look at that. You know I'm a truck man. Custom cab. Oh yeah. Oh, she's still got the inline 6 in it. Big 6. Keep on walking. We're gonna work our way down a little further. We got some more Pontiacs. We got TAs and Firebirds. We got Bonnevilles. We got GTOs. A little bit of everything out here, I'm telling you. As long as it's GM related, baby. Sorry I'm not walking all that fast. We're just getting started. It's Friday. We'll be filming all day tomorrow. That Delta 88. Everybody's just chilling, getting set up. Look at all these first gen birds. Cool. Don't see many of those. They're classy, isn't it? Boy, he's got it duded up under there. Aluminum heads. All dressed killer. Nasty. That is nice. Let's keep on walking. We're doing a long, covering as much as we can in a short amount of time. I got feature videos coming up. Oh, look at this 46. I gotta see that. I hadn't seen it. Ooh, I like that. That's gnarly. Wow, that thing is cool. Look at the chromed louvers. Awesome. That is well executed there. Dream it and build it. That's the way it works. Beautiful. Let's read the little backstory here. Crazy. Everyone, when I was being built, everyone said, wow, that is crazy looking. Taken apart many years ago. No one had put me back together until I was sold to Mike and Deb. Everything was done in their garage. 2 years of driving, they put a 671 supercharger under the hood. Now I'm super crazy, but I'm just a car. I love it. Beastly. Let's look at the upholstery. Then we're gonna go look at some wagons. Gnarly. All right, wagons. Working our way down to some wagons. Woo! Here, I'll show my pretty face. Appreciate everybody tuning in. It's a little warm out here at Carlisle, kind of humid. But it ain't Texas. We're working our way to look at some wagons over here. Here's some Buicks. Let's check them out. Look at that Pawpaw wagon there. 67 Grandpa Special. Look at that. Man, that's taken care of. Man, it's got windows like a Vista Cruiser. That's unusual. That's a cool old wagon. I thought only Vista Cruisers had the windows up there like that. Never seen a Buick like that. Sport wagon. Appreciate you bringing it. Oh yeah. We got the rear facing seat. Man, that thing's cool. Look at that thing. 67 Sport Wagon. Buick. Never seen one. Skylark Sport Wagon. Hey, I'm gonna cut it off. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, smash that button. Sam Space 81.